Strength training, your key to your long-term health. What if I told you that the secret to aging well lies in something you might be neglecting? Strength training could be your key to a healthier, longer life. Strength training, whether with weights, bands, or just your body weight, boosts muscular strength, endurance, and bone density. It significantly reduces the risk of falls and fractures as you age, promoting independent living. Despite its benefits, only 30.2% of Americans meet the recommended guidelines for strength training. Dr. Tommy Lundberg emphasizes that strength training is crucial for everyone, especially those over 65. Sarcopenia, the loss of muscle strength and function, accelerates after age 70, but resistance training can combat this. Strength training isn't just for health, it's vital for optimal sports performance and injury prevention. Whether you use free weights, gym equipment, or just your body weight, the key is consistency and effort. Even short, frequent sessions can yield significant health benefits if done with high intensity. To truly change public health, we need to integrate physical activity into our daily environments.